Hello, and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I bring you the iJoy Chase, an artificial intelligence 360-degree face tracking tripod. Let's take a look at it. Now, before we even dive into this, I have to hand it to the marketing team. This box is just amazing. I literally had to look up what this thing was called. I believe this thing is called lenticular print. I had to look it up. What are those things called? When you look at them one way, they give you one image, and when you look at them another way, they give you another image. Well, Google thought I was seeing things and thought that I should see a psychiatrist or some other professional. No, I mean the lenticular lens. The lenticular print, sorry. I love this. As a 90s kid, to me, this is peak technology, okay? So this packaging definitely spoke out to me, and it's like, here, buy me, okay? Now, one thing I need to mention about this is currently on sale. Well, not on sale, but it's currently being sold on Amazon for $31.49, okay? You guys already saw the clearance tag on it. You guys saw that I only paid $5.58 for this. I try not to spend more than $10 for stuff for my channel. This was a bargain. Literally, I saved 20 something bucks off of this, $25, $26 off of this. That's really good. I'm curious as to see why was it marked down so much at Walmart. I wonder if it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. It literally has a 3.7 star rating on Amazon. So let's get into it. Like I said earlier today, this literally has 3.7 stars on Amazon, so it shouldn't be complete hot garbage. It does take 3 AA batteries. I was able to see that online. So I did buy those ahead of time just to make sure that we had them. And this is the tripod thing itself. We're gonna put that aside. We're gonna see what else we get in the box. We get an instruction manual, and that's it. Literally just the item itself. We get nothing else. Okay. The user manual, blah, 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 blah. It's pretty brief. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and we are going to have to... Okay, cool. I thought I needed a Phillips. We do not need a screwdriver. So, okay. Kind of getting ahead of myself. So here's the item itself. It looks like we have retractable spring-loaded arms to be able to secure your phone. Supposedly it's supposed to be able to hold it either vertically or horizontally, but I'm not so sure if it's going to accommodate those much larger phones, especially with those bigger screen sizes today. I'm not sure if it'll accommodate my iPhone 11 horizontally, actually. Yeah, that's not fitting my phone horizontally. Nope. Wow. That's really short, actually. Okay, so that's what that's for. Okay. Okay, so it's also removable. You can remove this top part as well, so that you can put in your own holder. I'm gonna guess. Actually, I noticed that it has that at the bottom as well, to where you can swap. Oops, I hope we didn't break that. To where you can just swap out parts of other things. Let's see. Oh, you totally can. Okay, that's pretty cool here. Okay, you can totally put on other attachments from other cameras. I'm not sure how useful this one in particular would be, but yes, it's fully compatible with other tripod systems. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put that back and continue. Well, this was sideways actually. So let's go ahead and leave it sideways and let's continue. Now here at the bottom, I was really sure that you were gonna need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, to be able to pop this open. It looks like you don't. It's literally just wedged in there, and you turn it, you twist it to lock it. As you guys can see, it takes 3 AA batteries, 3 Ahs, as Thank Tots would say on his channel. Let's go ahead, get our batteries, get our dollar store batteries out of here, because you guys know I am cheap and I love bargains. So let's go ahead and pop these in there. Hopefully you guys know how to pop in batteries. And if you don't, there's a nice little drawing so that you know that the flat end goes against the spring and that the pointy nipply end goes against the other side. So let's pop that in. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in, and we're gonna twist to lock it. And it looks like it's in there. And then now we're gonna press the power button. And it's on. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so after about like 24 minutes or 5 of trying to set this thing up and unsuccessfully being able to set it up, when you follow the QR code and you go to the App Store, you're gonna see literally 3 different apps that are listed. 360 View by iJoy, Track AI by iJoy, and Chase Robot. Well, guess which 2 I tried for a while before even looking at the third one. Well, I thought 360 View, since it's called 360 rotating camera, whatever, or if not, Track by iJoy, since they're both by iJoy. Well, either one of these 2 apps, the first 2, they're not gonna work. They're just gonna have you scratching your head, going around in circles, and feeling very, very frustrated. Do yourself a favor, go ahead and download Chase Robot. That is the correct app to use for this. And literally, once you download it, you turn the device on. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and put the phone in here. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it up for you guys to be able to see a little bit better. Maybe on that screen, you guys can see it a little bit better. There we go. There's a tilt. Okay, so it does have tilt. It's a little wobbly for my taste, if I can be super honest with you guys. And then the camera kind of glitches out. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to restart that. Okay, open it up. It's a little bit buggy actually, because right now it's twisting side to side, and I'm not going side to side. Let's go ahead, if I go this way. Yeah, it follows you. It follows you. Yep, it'll follow you. Okay, it follows you. Okay, I'm somewhat impressed. Okay, I see you. All right, okay. Shoot, okay. I know it's a little bit buggy. I know, what is it? The camera's kind of bugging out a little. Let's go ahead and close it. Let's try to open it back up. Maybe this one will sound a bit better. Okay, camera one more time. And here we go, it's pointing at us. Let's have it move this way. Yeah, it's definitely following us. But again, into that snail space, it's not super quick. And if you get out of focus, I don't know if you guys saw that here. If you guys happen to get out of focus here, I'm just gonna have to take this camera off, sorry. So, there you guys can see that a lot better. So, as you guys can see, it'll definitely follow you around. But let's say you get out of the screen too quick and it loses your face. It has to refocus and has to catch you again so to know where you're at. And then once it catches you, then it'll literally rotate with you. Okay, it lost me. Come on, over here. Follow me. Come on, stupid. Yeah, it'll follow you. Okay, this is good. I'm excited about this. The one drawback though is that it doesn't have tilt on its own. So it's definitely not gonna tilt on its own. You're gonna have to do the tilting on your own, but that's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, okay, so it'll follow you. Okay. So it looks like it has a hard time. Okay, this is pretty good, dude. This is pretty good. Okay, so I realize this thing was like $5, but the amount of work that is being put into this is just amazing to me. I don't know how well you guys can see that here. Let me try to tilt this up. Here, if I move to this side, it'll follow me. Like it'll follow me, and I'm in my own camera app. And say if I keep going, yeah, it'll follow me. That's pretty cool, even though I'm in my own camera app. So, okay, so then it looks like you can absolutely use this for, when you're just recording on your own, like when you're recording in your free time without having to use the proprietary app. And it looks like, yeah, you absolutely, it will follow you. Now, the question is, will it follow only your face? It looks like it'll only follow your face. I was hoping maybe it would follow an item off screen. Okay, so it looks like it gets a little bit wonky whenever you try to use it with other apps, but come on, it's overlaying itself over your camera. Right now, I have it launched with Snapchat, and it'll definitely track you. Like it'll definitely track your face, and it'll put you can choose a filter on your face, and it'll definitely track you all the way around. I'm not sure how well you guys might be able to see this one, but as you can see, it'll clearly track me with a Snapchat filter. We'll even do the doggy one. You guys can clearly see. Well, hold on, let's hold it. It'll rotate, like. It lost me. Over here, stupid. So it clearly rotates and it'll follow you on Snapchat. That's pretty cool. But again, it does get a little bit wonky whenever you get out of those apps. Screen broadcasting. And see, it'll just go crazy and it'll just spin whenever it doesn't know what it's looking at. Like, okay, stop. See, it's spinning on its own like for forever. That's, I guess, one drawback, or that's one thing that still needs to be ironed out, still needs to be worked on. Because it clearly isn't stopping. Stop! Come on, I'm over here! See, it's not stopping for anybody once it gets in a mode like that. So I'm gonna try to stop the screen broadcasting. And it's still spinning, even though we stopped the screen broadcasting. Yeah, that's something else that should probably be ironed out and should also be worked on. Let's go ahead and try to open up the app again. Okay, well, we're gonna hold it like that. Let it spin. Okay, we do not want to use it with other apps. Let's go ahead and close it down. Let's open it back up. It's connected. So again, it'll definitely let you do its own camera, which is pretty good. And yeah, it'll track you. It tracks you. We've been over this. It definitely does a good job tracking. But now let's see its own built-in camera, what kind of effects it has. See, and I don't like that either. It starts to glitch out. It starts to bug out the moment you try to, no. See, I'm not a fan of that. Maybe it's because Snapchat is using the camera as well. Let's try to close out all the other apps. And we'll go ahead and open up the Chase app again one more time. It is connected. Let's go look at the camera one more time. It's tracking. I know it's tracking. We're gonna do that. So it has like little props, I guess, which are like Snapchat filters that you can put on. Yeah, these are basically Snapchat filters that you can apply. Although I don't know how useful a lot of these are. Oh, I like that. Smoking is cool, kids. No, it's not. Don't smoke it. Smoking is not cool. Yeah, Snapchat filters. Let's see what else. Effects. Yeah, these are all just Snapchat filters. Put your face in front of the camera. I am putting my face in front of the camera. Okay, so I guess it's bugging out again. Okay. See, that's what I don't like the app bugs out whenever you've been using it for a little bit, which I'm not a huge fan of. I am gonna have to like give this, see, it did it again. I'm gonna have to like, I know it does have also like face filters to where you can, you know, tweak your face proportions. Yeah, see, really chunky face. Anyway, yeah, but it bugs out. I'm not a fan of that. And it's not like you can go ahead and update it because that's the latest version of that app. I mean, there was a reason why it was on sale. Probably people got sick and tired of the app not working properly. It does bug out, it does crash quite often, as you guys can see, but it was $5, man. Like, come on, like, you can't beat that. Whoa. I'm happy I'm happy. I'm literally happy. I'm trying to figure out how would I implement this into my repertoire or into my video usage. And as cool as this thing might be, to be fairly honest with you guys, I don't see myself using this. As cool of an idea as it is, at the moment, I don't really do too much moving around. I tend to stay fairly stationary. Maybe for a stream, you know, like if I'm, you know, maybe for a stream, you know, if I'm moving like left to right a lot, but even with a stream, I would still stay stationary. It's cool, but again, I just can't see myself using it really. I mean, what would I use this for? Like, I mean, maybe on like one of my yo-yo videos, like, you know, when I'm moving left or right, I really don't know what I would use this thing for. Like, truly genuine. And just to give you guys a better idea of this face tracking software, that way you guys can see and experience what a video would look like if I were to actually use that thing in my everyday videos, which I'm not going to, but again, I don't know what I would use this thing for. Again, it follows you, it's a slow pace, it's not like it's gonna be super quick, and again, if you, for some reason, are outside of the camera, it's not gonna be able to pick you back up. But however, once you're in there, it looks like it'll recognize you as a face, and then it'll follow you around a little bit easier, a little bit closely. It's $5, man. What do you want? Like, it's $5, dude. It's actually pretty good for what it is. It's pretty good. I value this. I see maybe a revision coming along, something else better being made. Definitely, I'm a fan. If there are topics you'd like for me to talk about, other items you guys would like for me to cover, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, as it would mean a lot to me. And as always, thanks for watching.